Okay, so whenever you multiply one term times one term, okay, you just need to multiply the digits and then yung mga variables. So we have 5 times 4, we got 20. And then A, wala naman siyang kapareho. So wala kang multiplyan yan. Then B, C, D, you just copy the variables. Okay? Next. How about this one? Is that the final answer? 4 times 5. Okay, 4 times 5, we need to multiply first yung mga digits. Okay, so that's 20. And then x times x is x squared, and y doesn't have any y on 4x, so we just copy y. Next. How about if you have one term times a binomial? Okay, paano kung one term times a binomial? What are you going to do? You multiply the single term by each of the two terms. So ito, you need to use the distributive property of multiplication. So, okay, very good. So you answered 2x times x, that is 2x squared, plus 2 times 3, that is 6. And then x times x is x squared. Oh, no, you don't need to combine them. You cannot combine those two. Okay? So, hindi pwede sila i-combine because they are separated by a plus sign. Okay? So, ang algebraic expression na hindi pareho ng literal coefficient ay hindi pwedeng pagsamahin. Okay? So, kasi itong isa, although pareho silang may x squared, pero may y itong isa. So, hindi pwedeng pagsamahin yan. Okay? Try this one. Okay. Very good. So, pwede mo bang pagsamahin sila? You cannot kasi magkaiba sila ng literal coefficients. And so, kung magkaiba sila ng literal coefficients, they are not like terms. So, you cannot combine. You can only combine like terms. Okay? Next. How about this one? Okay, very good. So, your answer is correct. How about the next one? Okay, if you have two terms times a monomial naman. So, pinagbaliktad lang. So, pareho din. You just need to multiply this single term or these two terms dito sa isa. Okay? So, can you multiply them? Okay, so what is your answer? Let me see. Okay, very good. You cannot combine them as well kasi they are unlike terms. Okay, next. How are you going to solve that? Okay, very good. So 4x times 2x squared, we just add the exponents and the digits. Okay, how about this one? Okay, tama. So 4b times a to the fourth. Okay, that's 1. And then 4b squared. Next. How about if you have a binomial times a binomial? So you multiply each of the two terms in the first binomial dito sa bawat isa dyan, and then you also multiply the second term dito naman sa bawat isa dito. Or this is also called a FOIL method. Okay? So mauuna muna yung first terms, and then yung outer terms, then yung inner term, and then yung last term. Okay, so that's the horizontal method. Okay, so 2x times xz. We have 2x squared z. How about yung outer term naman? 2x times a. Okay, 2ax. How about yung third term? 3xz. How about yung fourth, yung last term? Okay, minus 3a. Can you combine anything? Wala. So that is your final answer. Okay? Next. Can you try this one? Okay, let me see. 2a squared b, and then 2a squared, 2ab plus 2a. Very good. Next. How about this one? Three x times 6x. Is it 36? It is what? Okay, 18x squared plus 3xy plus 24x plus 4y. Very good. Okay. Next. Okay, what if you have a binomial times a trinomial? So you multiply each term in the first polynomial by each term of this. Okay? Ito naman, ganun lang din. You are going to distribute. Or you can use as well the vertical method. Okay? So pwede mong gawin dyan 2x plus 3y minus 5. Okay, let's clear it first. 2x plus 3y minus 5.
Diyan, baka dito lang ba pumunta?
X
Dami pa
plus
text na.
a. Come say about me. Okay. Come say about me.
Wait here once.
Can you align 2ax there? Hindi mo pwede i-align kapag hindi sila pareho ng literal coefficients. You can put it here. O sige, pwede mo rin dun magay. Basta hindi ka malito. So kung wala ulit ka pareho ng literal coefficient, hindi mo sila pwedeng i-align sa nauna na. You cannot align it there. Hindi pwede. So dito mo siya lagay sa dulo. Okay, next. Is it plus a times negative 5? Okay, very good. And what is the answer? What is the final answer? Yan na lahat yun. Okay, and you're just going to arrange it. Huh? Fine. Next. Try this one. Why did you put a line there? Okay? So para ka nagmo-multiply lang ng simple na numbers, no? Okay, finish. And then you are going to add. Don't forget to include yung mga operation nito para alam mo kung what operation did you use, ha? Oh, what happened to that? Baka biglang nagkaroon ng 3 dyan. You're just going to bring down 6a. So that will be negative. Okay. Okay, did you understand? Next. How about this one? Okay, are you finished? Okay, let me see. 4r squared. Okay, don't forget to put the operation. Okay, para hindi ka malito. 3r, 4s. Okay, so inalign mo siya dito dahil pareho naman sila ng literal coefficient. And then, 2s squared. Very good. Then 3x. Okay, very good. Next. Can you do the sit work? Okay, so wala na bang question about multiplication of polynomials? No questions? Okay. Bye. Bye, Naomi.